How to hide followers on Instagram. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To hide your followers on Instagram, if you have a public account, you can switch into private. The only thing that will display is the number of followers and following, but they won't know which user have followed you or who are you following. Now to go ahead and do that, firstly click on your Instagram application. Make sure it is up to date. Then you can tap on the profile icon that is at the bottom right corner. From here, head over and click on the three horizontal line at the top. Locate the option of account privacy under who can see your content. In here, you will see private account option. Go ahead and toggle this on. Then click on switch to private. After that, all of your followers list will be private accordingly. Now, whoever checks your profile, the only thing that will display is the number of followers and following. However, they won't be able to know who is actually your followers or who you are following. We hope that you found it informative to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.